Blessed welcome to this channel, friend. My name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable restrictive or sensitive content on your Instagram. All right. So now to do this, you need to have an Instagram account, just like then doing this also will help you to be able to see sensitive content, although sometimes they might also ask you to tap on it before you're able to view. That is what a lot of people do see. But if you're somebody who doesn't care, you don't want to tap all the time to keep having to give access to Instagram to let you see all the sensitive content, then you can just make use of this process, all right, so that you can be able to see sensitive content easily on your Instagram. All right, so now to enable sensitive content, it's very easy. All you just have to do is to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. All right, right here, tap on that. So once you tap on that, you're gonna get on your profile just like this. This is just one of my accounts. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on this. You can see where it's written one at the top right corner here, so just tap on that as the menu icon. Then the next thing for you to do is to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, then the next thing you have to do is to just check out this place. You can see accounts, all right, in between ads and help right here. All right, so tap on accounts. Then once you tap on account, you can scroll down a little and you're gonna see sensitive content control. All right, you're gonna see sensitive content control in between browser settings and contact syncing. All right, if it's syncing or whatever. So now you tap on that and you're gonna allow. Right now in this the default is limit, which means you may see some photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Content is explore has always been filtered at this level. So if you limit it, then you will not be you will see, but you just have to give access. All right, you have to tap on it before you're able to see. But if you click on allow here, so you see you may see more photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. So you just click on OK. So once you click on OK, press back, go back again, and you can see that it is already authenticated. So now you've enabled sensitive content this way on Instagram. And if there is any sensitive content that somebody posts, all right, on your Instagram, you will easily see them. All right, although there are limits to the kind of posts that Instagram allows. And if you're thinking about how you can upload sensitive content, then on Instagram I have a video right there at the top right corner. All right, if you check the top right corner, you can see the video there which will teach you how you can upload sensitive content on Instagram. Although there is a limit to the sensitive content you can upload, you cannot upload all these too much X-rated videos and all that. It's not allowed, but there's some sensitive content that you can still upload and you can still get skill through with that. All right, so I believe this video is very helpful, friend. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below, because I upload more videos majorly on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter. I talk about social media and social apps a lot. So if that is something that interests you, you might want to click the red subscribe button below, because I'll still be shooting more videos, like hundreds of videos concerning them in the future. So please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button below so that you can be the first person to be notified in your notification bar. And also, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, the like button below this video also, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people that will be needing something like this, and they can easily learn from this video, all right, without them needing to keep scrolling and scrolling and jumping from one video that is not teaching exactly what they're saying to another. So thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in some other video tutorials. Peace.